Quantum computing is one of the most mind-blowing technologies of our time. Unlike classical computers, which use bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. This allows them to process massive amounts of information simultaneously. Another amazing property is entanglement. When qubits are entangled, the state of one instantly affects the state of another, no matter how far apart they are. This lets quantum computers solve certain problems incredibly fast. Superposition and entanglement together give quantum computers the power to tackle tasks that would take classical computers millions of years. Imagine solving complex problems like drug discovery, climate modeling, or cryptography almost instantly. Companies around the world are racing to build larger and more stable quantum computers. While the technology is still in its early stages, it promises to transform industries and even the way we understand computation itself. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction. It's here, shaping the future of technology in ways we're only beginning to understand. Stay curious because the quantum revolution is just getting started.